Welcome to the class today. Now, in Python we have the integer. We still have the integer. Let me comment it. We have the integer. Then we have the float. We have the float. We have the string, and we have the boolean. We have the list. We have the tuple. But let's talk about integer for now. Integer are just number like 1, 2, 3, 4. We have -1. We still have -4. All these are integers. So we are talking about integers for today. Now, to add two numbers in Python, we can just give a variable and a value. A variable like a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20. Then we can just say, we can give another variable that will hold the two values. C is equals to a plus b. A plus b. Now we now print it to the console. Print, you open your bracket and put the variable there, which is c. Then when you run your code, you get 30. This is the 30. This is the output of the program. This is 30. Now, let's say we're having maybe a float value, which is, let me say a is equals to 10.0 and b is equals to 5.0. Then we want to convert this to an integer. We'll wrap it under what we say c is equals to int, open bracket, a plus, want to add them in integer, plus, open bracket, we say int b. Then we'll now say print, open bracket, c, print c. Then when we run this program, you see that you discover that it will just print only the value, which is 15 here. This is the 15 here. That is the output. It's not printing 15.0. But let me say if we omit this int, and omit this int and print it, it will show us 15.0. That is a float. But if you want to convert a float, which is 10.0, 5.0, to an integer, we use the int value. Then if you want to convert a string to an integer, we say let me say a is equals to string. String is, you put it into double quotes, and b is equals to, you open bracket, you put it into double quotes, let me say 150. Now, to convert this now to an integer, you say c is equals to int, open bracket, a plus int, open bracket, b. Now, you know what open bracket b is equals to, we say print, open bracket c. Now, printing the c now, it will give us, instead of giving us 100 and 150, it will give us the actual value, which is 250. But if I remove this int here, it's going to do what we call concatenation. it will just add the two value like that together and give us, this is what it will give us instead of the actual value. This is the value that it will give us here instead of the actual value. But once we use the only the int then and run the code, it will give us 250.
And click the subscribe button for more videos.